morning, fellow carpers. I haven't really done an intro. Done yesterday. Got down here yesterday afternoon. Had a nice chilled session with Davey, and yeah, it worked till this morning. Then my right hand rod absolutely ripped off. On a homemade bait. That's all I can say. I'm blown away with this because I've literally just been messing around in the kitchen this week. Made a few boilies up, chucked one on a rig, and we have to show for it a lovely £20 free mirror. So, oh yeah, £20.4 actually, sorry. £20.4 mirror. So, well happy with that. Like I said, the bait that I made in the house, just for stuff you could buy from Tesco's. And sure enough, on its own, no bait over it, top of it, not like my other two rods, and it's gone off. So we will take that all day long. Absolute pearl. I took my other two rods out. The other two rods are fishing at distance. So look, nice little scales there. Let's turn around. Similar markings on this side as well. There we go. Got to be happy with that. Winner chicken dinner. So we're going to get some few seals now, and then we'll slip her back, and then I'll actually come and do a proper intro and run you through the tactics of what we've got this one in over the net cord. But yes, well happy with that, and it's not usually the 24. We've actually got 48 hours down here, so we've still got plenty of time left to go yet. Hopefully not a bigger one. So right, back in a bit. Look at her, look. Oh my lovely. Back she goes. Point her in your direction. Right, we're just walking to Davey now, because Davey is just shouting over. He reckons he's in. So let's go and have a look and catch him playing this fish. Oh, there he is. Do you want to open that in, or you? Or do you want me to just film you? Let me pass you the net. What? There you go. Let's film. So the fish are turning up, which is exactly what we like and what we thought. Oh, Lily. Go on, Davey. You got her. Yes.
Fish in the net, fish in the net, fish in the net.
Sweet. So Davey has got a fish. So we will sort this out now, and then when we're ready, we will come back to you. Right. Well done, Davey.
Thank you.
See you in a bit.
Fish of about, small common of about, I don't know. Did you give me, Martin, £10?
Yeah, it's going to be
£11.
it's going to be about that 10, isn't it? 9, 10, 11, somewhere around there.
As I was coming back from helping Martin with the fish, the rod screamed off. And 5 minutes later, this lovely common came. Absolutely landed. We got 2 fish within half an hour of me and Martin.
That's what it's about, isn't it?
Have you ever done it before, Martin?
I don't think we have.
No.
Oh, whoops. There you go. Look at that. Lovely looking common.
Oh.
She's going to be a feisty one for sure.
Yeah. Yeah. So, happy days. Oh.
What do you say, Davey?
Beats around the blank beats a run of 4 blanks.
No, see, it's always nice to get that out of the way.
Yeah, so at the end of the day, Martin, winner, chicken dinner.
Away she goes. There we go. Sweet. Right. Morning, fellow carpers. Let me officially welcome you to this session vlog. Right, let's run you down before we obviously get to the fish. I'm not sure what order, but I've had a fish. I'm going to do this. So we actually got down here yesterday midday. Done the usual, had a little walk around, see what was going on and whatnot, and decided to fish the wets. So we've actually got not 24 hours but 48 hours down here with Davey as well. He come down a bit later. He come down about 3ish. So yeah, so we did rush. We picked wets. I let Davey go in the corner 50 because he wanted to fish that because he haven't fished that yet, and then I slipped into the next one. Well, don't even know what number it is. And then what we did then is we proceeded to put 2 rods up at 21 wraps because I caught a fish from 21 wraps on the peg before, so I thought that was a good basis. We went trying to fish in the silt. I wanted to fish in the silt, not away from it. I didn't want to try and find a hard spot, so I did a longer boom and a stiff hinge. So yeah, charred it on the end, make it a stiff hinge with a pop up. The other rod dead at 21 wraps again. Snowman, krill bottom bait, signature squid, pop up on a slip D. Both 21 wraps, pretty close to each other. Put out about 2.5 kilos of corn, just corn. I wanted the pellets from the club, but they sold out in a minute, so I had to come up with a quick improvisation, and it was, so I went with that. 2.5 kilos of corn to start off with. My right hand rod then, usual Ronnie rig. Usual Ronnie rig. And with these bad boys, actually, I've been messing about in the house. I ain't got nothing to do at the minute. So I was messing about in the house, and I decided I'm going to make some of my own baits. And there I did. They're not perfectly round, as you can see. And, sure enough, that produced a fish. Ha! I am well happy with that. So me, first ever time rolling. There you go, look, I've got a squash one in here. Let's have a look, where is it? So yeah, there we go. Oh, you can see that. So, and literally, there's 5 ingredients in it. 5 ingredients in it. 1 egg, a shot of lead herrings, a shot of yellow food colouring, normal flour, semolina, and coconut shavings that you put on a cake. Everything bought from Tesco's. Obviously I was going to make them with soya flour. Couldn't find any soya flour. So I bought coconut flour. Made one with coconut and corn. That's in my other bag with coconut flour. Weren't too happy with the texture, so I thought I'd just try normal flour, see what the thing. And these come out a bit better, I thought. And yeah, anyway. And it survived the night. It survived the cast. And it brought me in a fish. So we are well happy with that. Leap herrings. Yeah, leap herrings. On the usual, Ronnie rig, with a bottom bait, just move the hook bit and that. Nice short boom on that one. And a putt chuck. It was literally a putt chuck. It wasn't too precise. And then everyone just, because I didn't know how soft, if I put too much welly in it, if it would come off there and that. So it was literally a putt chuck. It was probably 15 laps maybe a bit shorter, and yes, that ripped off then just as it was breaking light this morning. So, and we slipped the net underneath a lovely 20 pound 4 mirror, which you'll either see before this or after. Don't know. See what order I fancy. Yes, so that is us now up to date. It did take up my other 2 rods. It wrapped round it because obviously they're long, that was short. So it was a bit of a nightmare. So literally now I just put all 3 in, fresh bait, pop, chop up, because the rain was coming as well. So I haven't seen I did see one roll around about 21 wraps as well, just not long after. Not too sure. I think it might have been a bream in all fairness. The way it looked like it rolled and come out looked more like a bream. But so game plan today is a bit of heavy rain this morning. Just had a good downpour, so I'm just going to sit and chill for a bit and watch the water. Obviously, Davey has had a fish, so we've got footage of that. That will go in here, and then Anthony next door, he's had a fish as well. He's had a nice common. So they're here. Let's just try and build a picture, and hopefully we can slip another one at least. Like you said, we've still got 24 hours yet. It's 9 o'clock, so we've still got 24 hours. I'll be away early tomorrow morning. Yes, fingers crossed we come back with you with another fish. But all in all, well happy with that. Been a winner, chicken dinner, that's all I'm going to say. Right, catch you in a bit. Right, welcome back fellow carpers. We thought we'd do a little evening update as it's just about starting to get dark. I think it's 4:20 to 5. Rods will set out for the night, so I'll run you through mine, Davey will run you through his, tell you what we've done today, and then just basically hopefully we get woken up in the night at some point. So anyway, the weather's been quite nice today. The sun's come out, so I obviously changed to zigs for a bit. Not on all of them, do you know what I mean, but 3-4 foot zigs, no joy. Thought I see fish cruising around a little bit, but closer in. Other than that, that's about all the sightings we go on, for me anyway. So we've moved them in, we've brought them in 15 wraps, just try a little bit, something different, because the fish I had last night was definitely in. Can't tell you how much in, because it was a putt chuck, like I said. But it was roughly around there, so we've gone with 15, found some spots, found a nice silky spot where I could fish with stiff hinge, harder spots then for the other two. So they're all done, dusted for the night, and it's just a praying and waiting game now. Davey, running through what you've done, bud.
I got two my right hand rods across the bushes on my right hand side with manila wafters.
And to be fair, they are bob on the money, right on the edge. I don't think you could have got them any closer, could you?
So, no,
I'd be bitterly surprised if one of them don't go off. they would look that mint when they landed.
And my third rod is just a chuck over to a tree that's over on my further out on the right hand side.
The overhanging tree, just in front of some lily beds, isn't it?
Yeah.
So they went there in the summer.
So we'll see what happens now, and they're out for the night. Ain't doing anything else.
Yeah, like I said, that's us. The rods are in now. Unless we get a bite, they're not coming out. And we're both away early in the morning, so I imagine pretty much they're there until the death now. So yes, we're going to leave it there. We're going to rustle up some sausages and whatnot, have a bit of grub, and pray that the carp gods are on our side.
Yes,
So
hopefully.
yes, hopefully we'll catch you in the night. If not, it'll be early doors in the morning. See you then.
Cheers, guys.
Right, welcome back everyone. That's it. We're walking around to the car. No more action, I'm afraid, for us.
Did, however, see one fish this morning, real close in, like 7 wraps, and definitely had a bream playing around with my middle rod last night. So I left there because unsure. Tell you what would you do in a situation if a bream bites? Obviously we know the difference. Do you reel your rod in, make sure it's all cushy, put it back out, or do you just leave it? I left it. The rig was a mess when I come in this morning, so
you won't be doing that again.
Yeah, I won't be doing that again. I think I will be bringing them in if I have bream bites from now on. But what would you do, Davey?
I'd have brought it in.
You'd have brought it in.
Yeah, if consistent beeps, you have to.
Yeah,
you have to bring it in.
I probably should have done. To be fair, it was it's like 2 separate occasions. So
well, nothing showing my side anyway. I haven't seen anything show my side all weekend, even though I've had a fish.
Yeah.
But
that's the main thing, isn't it? We have had a fish each, so we're happy with that. Both caught. I had a social as well. Thoroughly enjoyed. And we're just pushing all the stuff around. And I will show you this. If any of you want a barrow, I'll tell you what, you've got to get one of these bad boys, because that's 2 lots of our kit on there, and it is still pushing with fairly good ease.
Easy, yeah.
Do you know what I see? Yeah. So yes, right. We're going to carry on pushing this barrow around. All the best in your fishing. Thanks for watching. Tight lines, wet nets. Catch you again.
See you next time, guys.